Hi, everyone. This is Tina Hare with Tina Hare and Associates. I've been getting a lot of phone calls from my clients who are out of work and a little afraid of what's going on with their mortgages and just in the financial straits that they're in right now. So I just thought it might be a good idea to contact my lenders, Simone and Roshi from Planatek Financial. Thank you so much for joining me today. And just ask some questions that hopefully helps to give some people a little bit of relief and comfort to know that there are things out there that they can do. So I'm going to start with my first question. Are there programs available right now?
Yes, they sure are. The lenders are just coming up with more and more programs, such as forbearance. So there are definitely programs available.
Great. And what does that program look like, the forbearance?
So the forbearances that I'm seeing with the lenders coming out is that they're allowing you between 3 and 6 months to defer your payments. But what that means is, depending on each lender, that at the end of the 3 or 6 month term, they're asking you to become current with your payments, which could be very difficult for some people. There's also, if you are able to meet the guidelines that they have after your forbearance, some of them are doing loan modifications, repayment plans. So it's really, really important that you contact your lender, that you understand what the terms are. They'll actually they'll send you an email and give you what the terms are. That's what I've been seeing.
Okay, great. And so it's, from what I'm hearing you say, it's really important to, before you sign or agree to any of those terms, you understand completely what you're getting into.
Absolutely.
Because in some cases, people could get a forbearance and then not be able to pay it back on the other end. And that could cause them even more problems.
And I would encourage everyone that can make their payment to make their payment, because you don't know if in 6 months you're going to have to come up with that money, because you still have to qualify for the additional assistance. So if you're capable of making your payments, make your payments.
Okay. But this is a great program out there for people right now who can't make their payment and don't want to lose their home.
Absolutely.
So I think that's wonderful. The other question I have is, will it affect their credit? Because I know that's a big thing in people's minds, that, you know, people have worked really hard to keep their credit in good standing, and they're really nervous about that.
Great question. And of course, a very important one. From what we understand, it's not supposed to affect their credit. However, it's very important that they do check with their lenders and ask that question. How will this affect my credit? That is very important, because that would stay on their credit if it does affect it for years to come. So it's very important that they ask that question.
And part of the agreement, in the agreement, it should state that it will not hurt their credit.
And if clients have any questions, I mean, you would advise them to contact somebody that they trust, either their attorney or their mortgage lender that they work with, just to get some advice to make sure that what they're signing, they understand what they're signing, basically.
If it's unclear, yes.
Great. Okay. The last question I have, which I think is another big one that people have been asking me, is there other help available?
Yes, there are lots of programs available. You can call for your auto loans, for your credit cards you can call, and from what we've also heard, the utility companies are helping you. They're not forgiving the payment. However, they will not be shutting anyone's service as of right now. So it's really important, again, if you can make the payments, please go ahead and make the payments. But if you can't, feel safe that your service will not be disconnected.
That's awesome. I have heard that as well. And they're working out programs, I think, to help, you know, you might tack it onto the each month, a little bit of each month for your utilities, which is amazing. Well, thank you so much, you guys. This is really going to help a lot of people feel comfortable. Again, if anybody has questions, feel free to reach out to Simone and Roshi or myself. We're here to help, especially trying to get through these trying times. I do believe, though, that we're going to come out of this stronger and better. Thank you so much again.
Thank you. Thank you, Tina.